Hello, love you viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to play Sweet Mother. How to play Sweet Mother. Sweet Mother is a very nice melody. It's a very nice melody. So we are going to learn how to play it. We are going to use key F. Key F. Yeah, key F. We are using key F to play it. We are using key F to play it. So the song go like this. Let's do the choruses first. The song go like this. Sweet mother, I'm not gonna forget you. For this suffer me, you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I'm not gonna forget you. For this suffer me, you suffer for me. You see? So the chords go like this. You go to Fa, they come to Do, they go to So, they come to where? You go to 4, 4, they come to 1, 1, they go to 5, 5, they come to where? 1. So these are the courses for Sweet Mother, and there is some melody inside. Panam, 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 panam. Yeah, we will do that one too. So that one too go like this. Did you get it? So again is this is the second step. This is the second step. So there is another solo inside. You hear, yeah. So that one we are playing F. So the F is here. F is here. This is F. No, this is F. So that one you shift to the F here, and you start at the So let's do it and see. You get it? Once again. So did you get it? Yes. So this is the solo in the Sweet Mother. So let me do a breakdown for you. This one is Do, Mi, Re, Fa, Mi, So, Fa, La, Mi, So, Re, Fa, Do, Mi, So, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Ti, Do. Did you get it? Let's go again. Do, Mi, Re, Fa, Mi, So, Fa, La, Mi, So, Re, Fa, Do, Mi, So, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Ti, Do. You see, so Do, Mi, Re, Fa, Mi, So, Fa, La, Mi, So, Re, Fa, Do, Mi, So, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Ti, Do. That is the second step. So let's move to is so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi. Then you go to mi fa so fa mi. Then you go to re do ti re do. Did you get it? So let me say it one by one for you. You go to so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi fa so fa mi re do ti re do. This is the last part. So this is the sweet mother. Let's try it once again. So you see the way I did it. Yes, try it and it's very nice. It's very nice. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.